morning. Happy Wednesday. What is parketing? We are back here at Universal Studios. Going in, gonna walk underneath the Horror Nights banner, and yeah, we're not doing Horror Nights. I'm too big of a chicken. But either way, come on, let's go have some fun. Just like that, we're back in the USSR. Wait, no. We're back in Universal Studios Hollywood. Wait, no. We're back in Hollywood Studios Disney, formerly MGM. Wait, no. Backtrack, replace. We are in Universal Studios Orlando, part of the Universal Florida Resort. That's a lot for nothing. But anyways, we're here. We're gonna have fun. That is all.
Where'd my birthday go?
Where'd my birthday go? Somewhere on Monday. Where'd my birthday go?
Where'd my birthday go?
That's not released yet. We're not allowed to talk about that. We're gonna get sued. But we're here. See a very good ride directly in front of us.
It says it's at 5 minutes.
It says it's at 5 minutes. You know what that means. We're doing it 3 times. Thank God. Now everybody say it with me. Download the app, upgrade your gun, and have some fun. So, let's go do this. We shall see. Not a personal best, but early in the morning still might make the board. It's everybody's favorite time of John Goes to the Park. Number 4 out of 12. Not bad. Slightly better than Tommy P. It's a new sight to the New York skyline. No roller coaster going through it. I mean, since it was a roller coaster, it doesn't look weird now that it's not there, but still feels kind of weird. It's making it go bye-bye. Next up on activities for today, we're gonna ride Mummy. We're gonna have fun. They're not currently doing it, but do be noted that when it does get busier, they will have a line split up here where you can choose which side to go through. The left is physically shorter, so stick to that side, but if no one's going to the right, it might be quicker to go that way. That told you absolutely nothing, but now you know. Here we go.
5 minutes.
I knew where they were lying when they said 10. I just thought it was going to go the other way. I feel like part of my soul's been ripped out of my body from a paranormal force. Besides that, it's a great ride. After a quick, semi-disappointing breakfast stop, we're going to go do Gods of Grins. It feels so small compared to just being in Paris. It's still awesome though. Well, I like the side of this line. Might only be a true 15-minute wait. And maybe I'll actually get to open that account. No. It's the safest place.
What was that? They're Weasley's wildfire whiz-bangs. Fireworks from my brothers Fred and George. Bilbridge, what are you doing here? This is my office, your dad. The question is, what are you doing here?
I was about to show our new clients the vault. I was just getting the keys.
Well, I moved them. All you have to do is ask. Have your keys.
How did you get in here? We haven't seen
Well,
you
if
since...
I let me keep you from your tour, I just need to pick up a few things and I'll be on my way. You haven't seen me. Actually, if you don't mind, I'll join you on your tour. We can all leave together. I'll meet you at your cart.
But what are we talking about? Let's get moving.
Here we go. You know, the fact that there was a dragon already coming out of the bank should have told me it's not actually the safest place on Earth. Pretty close. But it was fun.
If you like that ride, you have to ask yourself one thing. Do you like Bill?
Bill?
Weasley.
Oh yeah, do you like Bill? Do you like Higgity Big Bibbity.
You'll love this.
You'll love this. Off to
Men in Black, Alien Attack.
Oh no, University U broke again. One of these days I'll get to experience the best ride in this park.
Hurry up, rookies.
Not today.
Okay.
Everyone, say it with me. Hold down the trigger. Shoot the same target more than once. Press the red button at the very end until it says bonus.
Minion Blaster?
This is Minion Blaster. Download the app. It does not sync on this ride. It is key to have. All in all, have a good time.
And go to the little button that says subscribe and click it.
Wow. Someone's actually taking their job seriously for once. Anyways, we're just here to have fun. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.
Don't get too
That's close.
Ooh, yes it does. Bam! Over here.
Oh, wow.
Y'all got skills.
Time to suit up, y'all. In the last suit you will ever wear.
Don't stare at the light.
Oh, it'll be ready next Wednesday.
You keep saying that.
That was pretty hot, wasn't it?
Smiling and walking while I'm stuck in this box with no coffee.
I relate so much. Yeah, another satisfying MIB adventure. You gotta love it. We have decided that Minions Blast is worth doing it, no matter what. So, here we go. It's Velocicon o'clock. 5 minutes. I came down the wrong side of the street. They're going on without me. I'm gonna cry. How do we do? Let's find out. Velocicon. Improved the score a little bit. Still on top 5. I improved.
I feel like I've seen those first couple.
Yes, they were there when we first got here. Tommy P still up there. Player somewhere, I have no idea.
915.
51595.
I got 772.
Hey, you're up there. Okay. Done with studios. Going to walk through the mystery construction walls for the yet to be announced Rip Ride rocket replacement, but we'll see. Hopefully they have some elements out here. Looks like they are drilling some supports for footers for probably roller coaster. Time will tell.
Time will tell.
We shall see you either in Hootsums or in Highlands of Adventure. Okay, bye. It says we made it into Islands of Adventure.
Pandora.
The adventure begins higher. Thanks to recent permits, we do now know that it is only going to be a matter of time until we're no longer walking through Lost Continent. What we're going to be walking through next, we don't know for sure. But looking at what has been filed with Orange County, it does look like, at least for the moment, Mythos, Fire Eaters, basically everything to the left up here is going to be safe for the time being. But the old Poseidon's building over here, the gift shops, the kebab shop, the fountain, old Sinbad, are all been permitted to be removed. Rumor mills are still leading hard into Zelda. I have also heard rumors inside of a rumor that One Piece may also take the place. Both of those franchises, Zelda and One Piece, would fit in very easily into what would remain with very limited updates needing to happen. So, time will tell. But for now, we're going to do Velocicoster? Question mark?
Yes, but I have to pee, so here or there.
Okay, potty ride first. Okay, bye. The excited screams of people enjoying a roller coaster go flying overhead. Currently, once we got into the park, Velocicoster said 190? It said 190. Currently, I think it says 15, maybe 35. I think it's 35.
But we are
But we are going right inside. There's no extended outdoor queue, any of that hibbity-dibbity going on. So, is it though? I thought we just, it's hibbity-dibbity. Dibbity, darn it. Do. Scooby-Dooby. Do. Well, the dog has 3 names. Nothing I can do. Them's the rules. But we're gonna go have fun. Okay, bye. People are never gonna believe what's happening in Florida right now. It's raining.
It's raining, man.
LML, it's raining, Tom. But, so you're gonna go away for a while. Velocicoster was awesome and dry. So we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do right about now. You won't, because you're getting dripped on, which is expensive. So, okay, bye. Hello, dry people at home. We decided to just get on Forbidden Journey. It says 15 minutes. Stuff's in a locker. I don't remember if outside section is covered or not. It sounds wet out there, so we'll find out.
Either way, you have a poncho.
Either way, I do have a poncho. This part's covered. Sounds worse than it is right now. But it is raining and sunny. And these guys are still here. Tell them to move. Okay, bye. Rain has slowed down. Poncho is still on. Because, as they say, the best way to stop making it rain in Florida is to put your poncho on. But also,
You never know how trustworthy weather is.
be aware, it's Florida. It's gonna rain a lot. Just give it an hour or two. I think we might get Totts soon. I hope so, I'm hungry. Okay, bye. Acquired. Hams with green eggs. Someone got their normal buffalo chicken tots. Actually remembered to show you what they look like before we ate them all. You know how we feel about this by this time in watching. If not, go back and watch any of our other Islands of Adventure videos.
They're great.
I'm gonna eat
I
these
love this place.
and try not to get wet. Dan, we miss you. Okay, bye. So, post Totts, we went to gift shops. We rode Hulk. Someone else just got off Forbidden Journey. But, all in all, great day. Thanks for coming along. Hope to catch you all next time. And as always, folks, remember to stay kind and don't forget to exit through the tribute store.